Hey, Jim Parr here, and I'm going to show you a few easy settings that you can make in your YouTube channel to make all the difference in the world. Let me just show you here. We're at like 700 views a day, and we're almost hitting 4,000 a day just by making a few settings here. And you can see in these videos here, we went from 200 or 300 views on a video in 28 days to over 21,000 views in 28 days. So I'm going to show you a few select settings that anyone can do, and we're going to get right into this. But leave a comment. How many subscribers? We just hit 10,000 subscribers. How many subscribers do you have on your channel currently? Because with these settings, I'd be curious to see where you go after these settings go into place. So let's dive in. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is go to YouTube Studio. So you click on your profile picture up here, go to View Channel, and then go to Manage Videos here, which will take you to YouTube Studio. And then once you're in your YouTube Studio, you're going to go down to Settings in the bottom left here, and then click on Settings, and then go to your channel. And then this is where the magic happens, right here in this section. So under basic information, these are tags. So you want to find names or titles or basically people that are in your industry that are big and channels that are big, and then put those into this section along with keywords for this. If you need help, let me just show you a trick to do this. Let's just say that your industry is YouTube and you do a lot of YouTube videos. So you could go into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, give me keywords for YouTube channel on let's see, making YouTube videos. Let's just see what it brings up here. So this is going to be a bunch of different keywords, and then you can add to this. So how to make money on YouTube, how to monetize, tips, algorithm hacks, get viral. Now, one thing that you can do, you can take and tell ChatGPT to separate these, the list here with commas, and then it'll take and separate those with commas. So then you can just cut and paste those into your YouTube channel without copy and pasting each single one. But not only that, you can say, give me YouTube channel names. Let's see, give me, let's say, top YouTube channel names in this niche. So use ChatGPT because it's going to help you out. So now it's going to say Think Media. These are all big names here. Should be vidIQ, things like that. And so you can see it's giving us everything that we need. So I would select the top ones like Think Media, Nick Neiman. Those are the big ones that are in here. And then also use their name, but use their channel name also. And that's going to help you scale big time. And then Google or YouTube knows how to show your channel to other people in your industry. So let me show you the next tip that is really, really good. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is probably one of the most important. I mean, all three of these really work together to sweeten the pie and really grow your channel exponentially. So the next thing we're going to do is make sure you're in your channel, go to Customize Channel, And this is not in the YouTube studio, or I guess it is technically, but we're going to go into YouTube Studio and we're going to click on the profile. So it looks a little bit different than the actual studio that we're just in. So we're going to customize a couple things. One thing is we always do a profile handle, but in this description, you can put 1,000 characters in here. We have 994, but so I've got 6 characters I can add here. So you want to try to fill it up with 1,000. So you can see mine says, welcome to Jim Parr, making money with AI. And then we talk about making money with AI and ChatGPT. And then we go through a few bullet points. Who is this for? You can use this if you want to copy this template. And then we talk about Midjourney, ChatGPT, some different things. 1,000 characters is not a whole lot. This is 1,000 right here. But to help you out a little bit, basically go into ChatGPT. And so we'll stay on this growing your YouTube channel. So we're going to say to ChatGPT prompt, write a YouTube channel description for my YouTube channel that helps people grow their YouTube. And I got to spell there right, but they'll get it right. YouTube channel that's less than 1,000 characters, and add some hashtags. So let's see what they come up with here. So it'll lay it out really, really nice. It says, would you like me to tweak a specific niche in the YouTube growth? So you could mainly say growing your channel. This is kind of a broad, it's got SEO, video editing, monetizing. So if you're specific to what you do in YouTube, I would get more specific. So you could say to YouTube, add algorithms. And then it's going to add some additional stuff in there. So you can get specific about it. It doesn't really matter if you want to grow your YouTube channel. This would work perfect. But bullet points are key in this. But then you want to take this content, copy and paste it, and move it right into here. And then remember to go up into the top right here and hit publish. The other thing, if you target different languages, add a language in there. So if you go after Spanish speaking, German, whatever, there is some great targets if you never thought about it. But to grow your YouTube channel, your audience is not just in a specific area like I'm in the US, but it's all over the world. Everybody's looking at it. So it's accessible all over the world. So you just want to remember that when you're doing that. Let's show you the last thing that's going to really help you grow this, and go over to there. Okay, so I'm a huge fan of ChatGPT, and I have grown my channel exponentially. So I got to hit publish here. But I've grown my channel a lot just by using AI to help me get things going, and my analytics have really gone through the roof. I hit 10,000 subscribers and made that achievement this year, and I'm going for 100,000 this year. In my videos, the content, 21,000 views in less than a couple weeks here. So that's one thing that's really key here. But let me just show you in ChatGPT how this can help you grow your channel. So use AI to your benefit. Just remember it, it's here to help you. So ask, give me a 90-day plan on how to grow my YouTube channel. Now, I'm not changing anything here, so it's going to remember all this that you're talking about. It's going to remember the monetization. It's going to remember Think Media, different things like that. But you want to look at different channels and what they're doing. You don't want to copy the channels, but you want to look at what they're doing and grow your channel based on that. So I can see here, I didn't start a new chat, but ChatGPT is going to lay out a 90-day plan for me on growing my YouTube channel. So it's going to give you days 1 through 7, setup and research. It possibly is going to give you some tools to use. If it doesn't, we can ask it to give us the tools to use. But it's given us growth on the algorithm, optimization, monetization. One thing, long form content is the key to monetizing because you really need the hours. So the longer the videos, like you don't want to do 1 or 2 minute videos because that's going to take a lot of hours. You need 4,000 watch hours. And we're getting about 1,000 watch hours a month. So right now, and that's growing every day. But so long form content, 10 minutes to 30-minute videos, that's good. If you can do up to an hour, I don't know if you're going to keep that engagement. That's the key. It'd be better to do multiple 10-minute videos, and they're easier to put together. Thumbnails are key in growing your channel, but you can ask it what tools to use to do this. And then it should lay out like Canva and different things like that. vidIQ is a great one. Here's Canva, CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere if you want to take that on in Final Cut. But it's going to give us all our tools that we need to build our channel. I'm not saying that you need all these. We use Camtasia for video editing. OBS is free to do screen shares if you're going to do that. But I would look on YouTube and find channels on making a YouTube studio if you're recording yourself or if you're teaching videos, which we are. So we're doing more screen recording than anything. But look at Social Blade, look at some of the competitors because that'll tell you how much they're making and earning. So if you go into Social Blade, and I'll just show you that real quick. So the cool thing about Social Blade, you can take and go in there, and it's just socialblade.com, and it'll tell you what YouTube, Instagram, whatever people are earning on any social media platform. So we can see vidIQ, they make an earnings yearly, 186,000 a year. 15,000 a month. I'm actually very surprised at this. I would think that he'd be making a lot more than that. But it's a saturated market. YouTube, talking about YouTube's is very saturated. So it takes a lot of videos, a lot of earnings and a lot of views to get there. So he's got on a daily basis, let's see, subscribers, he's getting about 10,000 every few days. So just remember that the industry that you go into, we can do a video on niches if you want. Just leave a comment below and we'll do that, showing you the best niches to go into that pay the most. So you don't need a whole lot of subscribers to make a whole lot of money. So this is a very small amount. I was making, before we demonetized, and then we were making about $600 to $700 a month. So I'm very surprised on these numbers. But anyways, hopefully this video helps you. If it did, hit that thumbs up. Leave the comment below what you're looking for the most and how many subscribers you currently have. And I'd love to follow your growth with you. Thanks for watching.